At the heart of Merlin still lies the idea of business-ready documents. And I can't think of a more important business document than this PCERT API's data reflected in a spreadsheet. Let's get the latest reports. And what we're going to do is open this inside of VS Code so that it looks pretty. Now, when I pick the latest results, it should filter down to be just the latest records here. And what we can see is we have a business-ready spreadsheet of the advisory IDs, which we can sort by the advisory titles, the bug IDs. All of these have filters if we want to only focus on a specific bug ID. Just incredible, just incredible. At your fingertips in a click. We don't need to deal with the API, deal with tokens, deal with transforming the raw JSON into this report. That is the whole purpose of Merlin and the Business Ready Document Center. So what we can do is use this in concert with something like the On-Demand Center, go get the latest version, and then get the latest records from the database as a pre-canned security incident report in a spreadsheet. It's just incredible. Thank you.